Hey guys, we're here in the Harvey Studio Workshop and we're really happy to be partnering with Onefinity. We've got these 7 huge boxes here and we've got their new Elite Foreman 48x48 CNC. And we're going to put this thing together. One of the end goals of this partnership is to generate and publish for free CNC cut files for jigs, accessories, etc. that fit Harvey equipment that are cut on the Onefinity. So let's get these boxes open and this Elite Foreman assembly. Thanks for watching this install video on the QCW frame, and we got the rails on today. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll get the Z-axis on here and the controllers and the wasteboard installed. And once again, be on the lookout for our partnership with Onefinity where we'll have cut files for Harvey equipment that you can cut on your CNC.